And what advice would you give a formulator who is perhaps considering adopting a continuous manufacturing process or switching to a continuous manufacturing process?
In general, I would say not to assume that a formulation that works in batch will also be the best option in continuous. So we know that some companies want to change or to implement continuous manufacturing for existing drug products with existing formulations, and this might work, but it might simply not be the best option to transfer formulations from batch to continuous, since the processes are different. If, for instance, we consider a 20-screw granulation process, the residence time there is about 5 to 20 seconds. And this is a completely different time order in comparison to batch wet granulation. There we are looking at residence times in the order of minutes. So there's much less time available. This means, for instance, for wet granulation, that we will need very active binders. So the advice would be not to transfer or to assume that all formulations that work in batch are the best options for continuous.